Hello friends, welcome to Quant Question of the Day. We have taken this question from CAT 2018. It says the number of integers x such that 0.25 is less than 2 power x is less than 200 and 2 power x plus 2 is perfectly divisible by either 3 and 4 is. So first of all we have to find values of x that satisfy this inequality. So smallest value that x can take will be minus 1. If x is minus 1, 2 power x is equal to 2 power minus 1, which is 1 by 2, which is 0.5. So this satisfies. Similarly, if x is 1, 2 power x will be 2 power 1, which is 2, which also satisfies. If x is 2, 2 power x will be 2 square, which is 4, also satisfies. If x is 3, 2 power x will be 2 power 3, which is equal to 8, which also satisfies given inequality. Similarly, for x equal to 4, 2 power x will be 2 power 4, which is 16. For x equal to 5, 2 power x is 2 power 5, which is 32. Both of them satisfy. Similarly, for x equal to 6, 2 power x is 2 power 6, which is 64. And for x equal to 7, 2 power x is 2 power 7, which is 128. As soon as we put x equal to 8, 2 power x becomes 2 power 8, which is 256, which is greater than 200. So we have to take values which are lesser than 200. So values of x that satisfy are minus 1 to 7. We have to satisfy one more condition, that is 2 power x plus 2 is perfectly divisible by either 3 or 4. Let us check it. For first value, the given number is not divisible by 3 or 4. For x equal to 1, 2 power x plus 2 is equal to, what is this equal to? 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. Here we can take one more value. If we take x equal to 0, 2 power 0 is equal to 1. So x equal to 0 also satisfies. Now if I take x equal to 0, so it is 2 power 0 plus 2, that is 1 plus 2, which is 3. So this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 4. If I take x to be 2, so 2 power x plus 2 is 2 square plus 2, that is 4 plus 2, which is 6. So it is divisible by 3. Similarly, if we take x to be 3, so 2 power x plus 2 becomes 2 power 3 plus 2, that is 8 plus 2, which is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3 or 4. So we reject this value. If I take x to be 4, so 2 power x plus 2 gives me 2 power 4 plus 2, that is 16 plus 2 is equal to 18, which is divisible by 3. Similarly, for x equal to 5, 2 power x plus 2 gives me 2 power 5 plus 2, that is 32 plus 2, which is 34. It is divisible neither by 3 nor by 4. But for 2 power 6, 2 power x plus 2, for x equal to 6, 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 2 power 6 plus 2, that is 64 plus 2 is equal to 66, which is divisible by 3. This is not true for x equal to 7, because x equal to 7 gives me 2 power 7 plus 2, which is 130. This is not divisible by 3 or 4. So how many values can we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So question is asking me the number of integers such that both these conditions are true. So answer for given question will be 5. We can have 5 such integers. So answer to this question should be 5. Thank you.